Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashok from India. Today, I am going to share my utterance about the topic Final Jeopardy December 27, 2024 review. Let me introduce the contestants. Laura Fadda living in Tennessee. Megan Riddle living in Maryland. Herb Jeong living in California. In the beginning of final Jeopardy round, Laura secured 10,000 US dollar. Megan secured 1,400 US dollar. Herb Jeong secured 3,200 US dollar. Let me read the final Jeopardy clue, and the clue category is fictional characters. Let me read. In his very first appearance by name, this character comes downstairs, bump, bump, bump on the back of his head. This is the clue. In order to respond for this clue, Laura Fadda responded as what is. Unfortunately, it is the wrong response. So, minus 2000 US dollar, and the final amount is 8000 US dollar. Now it is Megan Riddle's turn. Megan Riddle responded as who is Winnie the Pooh. Fortunately, it is the correct response. So, plus 52 US dollar, and the final amount is 1452 US dollar. Now it is Herb Jeong's turn. Herb Jeong responded as who is the velveteen rabbit. Unfortunately, it is the wrong response. So, minus 300 US dollar, and the final amount is 2,900 US dollar. Laura Fadda is the winner of the game show.